8 Indian homemade herbal recipes to cure insomnia. Insomnia is one of the biggest concerns in the medical world. It leads to a lot of mental disorders. The percentage of adults and adolescents suffering from insomnia is alarmingly huge. It leads to irritability, tension, headaches, lethargy, fatigue, and many other physiological problems. But, don't you worry, as there are various ways to treat insomnia at home. Let us discuss such remedies. Herbal tea. Drinking herbal tea every day can promote good sleep. Individuals who like to drink tea, especially green or chamomile tea, reportedly sleep well at night. In fact, drinking tea will also aid you to reduce the consumption of caffeine. Excessive caffeine consumption is responsible to keep you awake at night. Honey. Honey is present with us since the dawn of the civilization. It has immense medicinal values. Consuming honey can also put you to sleep quicker than you expect. All you need to do is to drink honey with warm water or milk and get ready to be tucked in the bed. You need to find raw honey to make this possible. Aniseed water. Aniseed is a miracle spice which aids in cooling down your overtired body. You will feel relaxed and your muscles will get a good rest. It is a must-have in the Indian kitchen. It has no side effects like the sleeping pills that cause addiction. Soak 1 tablespoon aniseed in 1 glass water. Strain it after 3 hours and drink the decoction. You will feel very comfortable and sleepy. Cumin seeds. It is also a mandatory culinary spice in the Indian kitchen. It aids in boosting digestion and metabolism. You can enjoy a cup of tea made with cumin seeds every night before going to sleep. The hot decoction will promote good digestion and sleep immediately. Saffron. Saffron is very costly but really effective to cure insomnia due to its mild sedative features. When consumed, it aids in relaxing the strained muscles and energized nerves. It also relaxes your entire neurological system. All you need is to steep only 2 strands of saffron in warm milk and consume it before going to bed. Chamomile tea. As mentioned earlier, chamomile tea can induce relaxation and make you asleep without any hassle. You need to add chamomile flowers and boil it. Strain the liquid and savor the taste before bedtime to induce a good night's sleep. Bananas. Available in all seasons, bananas can induce sleep and help you to get over insomnia. It is a rich source of calcium, iron, potassium, and other minerals. You can consume it raw via making a salad. The minerals aid in relaxing the nervous system and make you fall asleep quicker. Warm milk. Warm milk alone is enough to induce a good night's sleep. The warmth reaches your guts and relaxes all the associated muscles along with the nervous system. Tryptophan, an active ingredient in milk, aids in promoting good sleep. You can also add cinnamon powder to make it spicy and warmer. Involving some physical workout sessions to get tired. These remedies will aid to fall asleep. You will enjoy a deep sleep when you are physically tired.